Hey guys, it's Chris here with Off-Road Farm. Today we're working on a hay spear. We had a hay spear that broke off. Part of the reason is because this bushing that it went through, I don't know if you can tell it or not, it's kind of egged out and there's actually a crack in it right here, and what that would allow is the hay spear to move back and forth, and it had too much movement. And it actually got to where it wore that out pretty thin and egged this side out, but this side you can really tell is really ovaled out, and it was just you couldn't get the nut tight, you could tighten it down. So just a short video here of me just cutting this bushing out and putting a new one in. So I didn't really feel like going and getting the torch, so instead I just used the plasma cutter, and I would just run the plasma cutter until it would duty out. And then while it was cooling down, I would just set it down and I'd go over to the impact wrench. We had a little bit of an issue getting this brand new from the factory hay spear and nut. Got a problem getting the nut off. After I finally got the nut off, the threads underneath were badly damaged. And what you guys can't probably tell in this video is I was using a 3/4 inch impact wrench, a good quality impact wrench with 150 psi of air pressure, and it still took a while before I was finally able to get that nut off. Since this metal is quite a bit thicker, I did go ahead and I used the 220 or 230, whatever you want to call it, plug for the welder. That's the one thing I like about this Hobart, is you can change out from 110 to 220 just by changing out the plug. So I was able to get a little bit more heat and do a better job of welding this in.